So, you want to make your roofing website's FAQ section super engaging, huh? We are BigHomeProjects.com, and we help connect homeowners with trusted contractors and help provide work opportunities for contractors. Let's dive into how you can do just that. First off, knowing your audience is key. Ask them what confuses or concerns them about roofing, and you'll get some solid insights to tailor your FAQs. Now, let's break it down. Number 1. Get to know your audience. Chat with clients or send out surveys to figure out their common questions. Trust me, it's a game changer. Understanding customer pain points in roofing can significantly improve your FAQ relevance. Number 2. Organize the questions. Group similar ones under categories like installation and materials. Makes it easier for folks to find answers. A well-structured FAQ improves user experience and navigation. Number 3. Keep it simple. Use everyday language, avoid jargon. You want everyone to understand, right? Simple communication in roofing builds trust and clarity with potential clients. Number 4. Optimize for SEO. Sprinkle relevant keywords throughout to boost visibility. More traffic means more potential customers. Effective SEO strategies can elevate your roofing website's search ranking. Number 5. Use visuals. Throw in images or videos to explain stuff like roof inspections. People love visuals. Visual aids make complex roofing processes more relatable and understandable. Number 6. Update regularly. Keep your FAQs fresh with the latest trends and info. It's good for SEO and keeps visitors coming back. Regular updates ensure your roofing content remains current and authoritative. Number 7. Provide detailed answers. Go beyond yes, no, and link to more resources if needed. Educate your audience and they'll trust you more. Detailed explanations in roofing FAQs empower informed decision-making. So, ready to transform your FAQ section? Head over to BigHomeProjects.com for more tips and tricks on connecting homeowners with top-notch contractors.